If your PlayStation 5 console has one of the following issues, maybe the power supply is defective. Welcome to How Fix It. In this video guide, I will show you how to replace the power supply in the PS5. To disassemble the PS5, you will need the following tools: Torx T8 screwdriver with hole inside, and Phillips 1 screwdriver, plastic opening tools, and tweezers. I also recommend using a magnetic mat and laying out each screw step by step during the disassembly process. The PlayStation 5 has 5 screws of different sizes, and when reassembling, it is very important to screw them into the right place. Due to the magnetic base, the screws will remain on the mat and you will not lose them. In the description, I left links where you can buy all the necessary repair tools. Disassembly of the PS5 begins by removing the top cover, where the optical drive is located. Pull the upper left corner of the case, and after, push the cover to the right. If you are doing everything correctly, the cover should be easy to remove. Now pull up the corner of the case where the PlayStation logo is, and push the cover to the left. At this step, you need to remove the warranty seal. If the warranty period is over, you can remove it. If not, you may void your warranty. Press down on the metal tab and remove the ribbon cable. Now you can remove the optical drive. Next, disconnect all cables from the main board. Now remove all the screws on the metal plate.